This frog literally dies every winter and comes back to life. In winter, the cold freezes its whole body. Every organ in its body stops working: heart, lungs, even the brain. For months, the frog is completely frozen. Most would die, but this frog cheats death as solid ice. When spring arrives, every organ kicks into action again. It's like the soul of the body goes on vacation in the harsh winter and comes back in spring as if nothing ever happened. This is not an ability to achieve, they are simply born with it.